so much less noise nowadays around.
But let's just talk about bumps in the road. I mean, anytime you install new technology, there's going to be like, hey, we got to work through this. You know, just share with the audience where things got like, oh, I spent a lot more time than I thought on getting this right. Who wants to start first?
I mean, we had gotten in some new models of Nissan products or whatever, and we were having a hard time getting them to communicate. And it was just a hardware issue, and we ended up resolving that. But you know, that was one of the
Hardware issues probably are the biggest one. Yeah.
Hardware issues.
What about Sean? What are you seeing in terms of like just the bumps in the road?
I mean, 2-3 years ago, I think you dealt with a lot of it. I mean, there's so much less noise nowadays around. Zuby especially and others have gotten really, really streamlined, and you know, we're seeing a lot less of that noise nowadays than we did 2 years ago. So it's really evolved really, really quickly, and it's pretty much plug and play now.